In this video, I'll guide you through how to install a specific version of an extension in Cursor.Ai. This is really useful when a new update introduces bugs, removes a feature you rely on, or when a particular project needs the behavior of an older version. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pick and install the version you want, instead of always being stuck with the latest one. First, go ahead and open Cursor on your computer. Make sure the application is fully loaded and you're on the main interface where you can see your files or your current workspace. You don't need any project open specifically for this, but it's fine if you already have one open. Next, you'll need to open the extensions view. Look over to the sidebar on the left and find the extensions icon. It typically looks like a set of building blocks or a similar symbol that represents add-ons. Click on that icon to bring up the list of extensions. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can also press Ctrl, Shift, and X together to open the extensions panel directly. That shortcut is handy if you work with extensions a lot and want to get there quickly. Once the extensions panel is open, you'll see a search bar at the top and a list of installed or recommended extensions below. In the search bar, type the name of the extension you want to adjust. As you type, Cursor will filter the results so you can quickly find the extension you're looking for. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct one, especially if there are similar names or multiple extensions from the same publisher. When you found the extension you want, look to the right side of its entry. You should see a small gear icon or settings icon next to the extension name. This icon opens a menu with additional options. Click on the gear icon to open that menu. From the list of options that appears, choose Install Another Version. This is the key feature that lets you move away from the default latest release. After you select Install Another Version, a window or drop-down will appear showing a list of available versions for that extension. These might be labeled with version numbers, release dates, or tags like stable or preview. Take a moment to review the versions. If you're rolling back because of a recent issue, you might want the version just before the latest one. If a project requires a specific version, match it exactly to the version number you've been given. Click on the version you want to install. Once it's highlighted or selected, confirm by clicking the Install button. Cursor will now download and install that specific version of the extension. This might take a few seconds depending on your internet connection and the size of the extension. When the installation completes, the extension entry should update to show the version you just installed. At this point, it's a good idea to double check that the correct version is active. You can usually confirm this in the same extensions panel, often displayed below the extension name. If the version number matches what you selected, you're all set. That's all you need to do to install a specific version of an extension in Cursor.Ai. You've learned how to open the extensions view, search for the extension you want, access its settings, choose Install Another Version, and select the exact version you need. This simple process gives you more control over your development environment and helps you keep your tools stable and predictable for your workflow.